This video will show you an approach to group multiple worksheets in a workbook. We have a financial model with numerous worksheets for different business units and their financials. One current drawback with Excel is the inability to group the same columns or rows simultaneously across multiple worksheets. We will compose a macro to enable you to group the same selected columns across worksheets. We will call this multiple column group selection macro group cols all sheets. We will now disable the key Excel properties of screen updating, enable events, and calculation, which will greatly improve the speed and efficiency of the macro's performance. Error handling will help to counter potential problems the macro encounters. It will permit the macro to step over problems in a worksheet and move to the next worksheet. It is now time to declare the relevant variables. The code will identify the selected column range which we want to apply the grouping of columns across the worksheets. We can now loop through the visible or unhidden worksheets excluding the index worksheet because it doesn't contain financial information which we want to group up. It is crucial to stipulate each worksheet with the Activate property in order to successfully group the columns based on the specified selection. This line of code will group the selected columns in each worksheet. Whilst this line will hide the grouped columns in each worksheet. As denoted, this code will move the cursor in each worksheet to cell A1. The next will move the macro to the next visible worksheet. Once the macro has looped through all the visible worksheets, the cursor will default back to the index worksheet and to cell address A1. As the macro is now finished, we can re-enable the Excel properties. In summary, here is the complete code to group selected columns across multiple visible worksheets. We are now ready to test the macro across the worksheets. Stay tuned for a follow-up video which will show you how to ungroup and unhide grouped columns across worksheets simultaneously.